Hi, Chris here for Tech and welcome to the channel. Well, today I'm going to show you, if you cannot see already, the difference in between 144 Hz here on the right and 60 Hz here on the left, as well as how to set up your screen or to troubleshoot if you cannot see your 144 Hz, although you have a screen which says you can do. So, without further ado, let's get started now. So you will find in the description down below much more on how to troubleshoot. I'm on the desktop here. I do a right click with my mouse, go to display settings, and once I'm in display settings, you can see that there is no way I can find how many hertz my screen is running out. You can see just the recommended one, the landscape. It's very basics. Even the profile color that I myself tune my monitor, but nothing for the display. So you click to advanced display settings, and here you can see I'm running on 60 Hz. So then I do the display adapter properties to monitors, and here I can see my 140 Hz. I click apply, I click on OK. Here is if you want to load your preset for your display or your calibration, that's how you do. This is what I did here. Okay, so I can close that, like so, and then click apply if it's not done, and OK. Right. So now I show you. I click on the desktop display settings, and then I have to go to advanced display settings here. Here you can see nothing, it doesn't show that I'm on 144 Hz, but if I go to advanced display settings, here you can see 144 Hz. So it has changed. Now I will go and do some gameplay to show you how it works. So here you will notice that although I start the 60 Hz first, okay, slightly before the 144, so the 60 Hz is on the right, and you will see that the one on the left managed yet to overtake the one on the right. The cinematic, it's not edited, it's a one shot, alright, and I'll let you see. I hope you can see that it's a little bit choppy on the 60 Hz right one compared to the left one. Right. Another thing is that if you cannot notice when you play, it's horrible the way you play. You will notice that it seems that I'm not a good player toward the end, and this is basically due only that it is so choppy that I have problem aiming. Alright, problem aiming. Alright, so I'll let you watch the cinematics now.
That little guy's me. I'm standing there with my parents and my sister Francesca in front of our old house. I don't really remember too much about the old country, except that we were pretty hard up. And then one day my father decided it was time to move away. Operation Husky. I was assigned to the 504th Parachute Division. On the 11th of July, we were supposed to be dropped over the southern coast of Sicily, but we got hit by flak and bailed out, way behind enemy lines. Only 3 of us made. If it wasn't for the local resistance, we wouldn't have had a chance. So when Mussolini soldiers came into the town and started running. All right, Scaletta, take the shot.
Traditori, pensavate di poterci prendere in giro? Di tradirci? Avete pensato male?
As we cannot see in the gameplay here, although you can see I have difficulty aiming, but as I did say, I'm the same player, the same game, alright? So what I do now is I take a portion of a recording of the scenes, exactly 9 seconds, and I multiply by 3 as a slow motion. And here you can see on the right 144 Hz, on the left is 60 Hz. You can clearly see this is what I experience in the game basically. Alright, so when I say it's choppy, this is what I do experience. Okay, I hope you like this video and it was helpful to you. If it was, please do press the like button. You can subscribe if you want to, and if you want to be notified, press the bell icon. Alright, if you do not like it, well, you can always do the YouTube things and leave a comment and tell me why you do not like it. Alright, let me wish you to have a nice week, and bye now guys.